Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Richard Wan. I'm the founder of Edgeware technology. Today we're going to introduce the power system of our Edge Span U200 all-in-one outdoor UPS system. Let's start from the painful experience. Many years ago, we deployed some project in Latin America. You know, like in Latin America, the region is a little bit complex. Many countries is developing countries, and the power grid system is not that good. So you were facing a lot of like over voltage, under voltage, this kind of problem. On the other hand, because the area has a lot of lightning issue, so the surge from the lightning always destroy all devices. So in the end, we learned you build something in outdoor, the protection from the surge is very important. I still see many customers that they don't consider this part. Especially in developed countries, you're lucky because your power grid system in your country is very good. But you know, in averagely, we have to consider this issue because when your system is destroyed by this kind of a surge problem, what you have to do is to send an engineer there to fix it. You know that because we deploy this kind of devices in outdoor, sometimes in a very rural area. So you send the engineer to fix the problem time by time, the OPEX will be extremely high. So that's why the protection of the system is very important. So luckily we learned from the painful experience. So we already put the surge suppressor system inside the devices with 20 kVA capabilities. Second is we have a smart breaker system inside. The smart breaker system can protect your system from the surge, from the over voltage, from the under voltage, from the short circuit, from the over circuit. You know, this kind of function is very normal for breaker, but sometimes breaker could bring problem. As we can see again that because our target is deploy the devices in order, in the rural area, in the edge network. So if your breaker turn off the system because of the overcurrent, whatever, over voltage, this kind of things, and if it cannot recover by itself, you have to send an engineer to be there to fix it. Again, send an engineer to the rural area is really costful. So our breaker system is a smart breaker system. So we will protect your system from the over voltage, from the under voltage, from the overcurrent, short circuit, automatically shut down the system. Then, because we have a program inside, it will detect the power from the power grid. If the power grid power recover to normal, the breaker will turn on the system again. So you don't have to send an engineer to fix the problem. On the other hand, we have our software system that can control the breaker remotely. So you can turn on and turn off the system remotely. This is the protection part. Then let's see the power part. We had a lot of painful problem again several years ago. You know, when you are building an outdoor site, you want to buy some UPS system. You know, normally the scenario is like several Wi-Fi AP, or you have several cameras. This kind of scenario, your power consumption is not that big. But if you go to market, you will find this one kVA system, 90-inch rack, this kind of devices, which makes no sense because your power consumption or your rated power is only 200, 300 watts at most. So why you're buying so big system to provide the power to your whole solution? Make no sense, right? The better part is if you buy a 90-inch rack, that big UPS, you have to build a very big cabinet, which is 90-inch wide, and then how you're gonna put on the pole? Again, the system is too big. You have to spend a lot of money to hire a crane and put it on the pole, send a lot of people to configure it. Well, installation cost is too high. So instead of buying this kind of standard products, we developed our own system. We can provide a different level of small scale UPS, like 100 watts, 200 watts, 300 watts, 500 watts, and we can customize for you. Well, it's too far away. Let's go back to this Edge Span. Edge Span right now equipment with two level of UPS, 200 watts DC UPS, 300 watts DC UPS. With this UPS embedded inside the Edge Span, we can make the system very small. So that's the concept that we designed this product for the power system. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. And if you like us, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.